High up in the greater Himalayas lies a town that whispers tales of time, where nature sings and history lingers. Dalhousie, a destination where colonial past meets modern travel, and nature's bounty is endless. Imagine embarking on a road trip from Delhi, experiencing every twist and turn on the way to this breathtaking Himalayan town. The journey from Delhi to Dalhousie by car is not just a trip, it's an adventure through plains, hills, and valleys. As you leave the bustling Delhi NCR region, the road opens up toward to the serene northern plains. Soon, the landscape transforms into the greener, cleaner zones of the lower Himalayas. With uninterrupted views of mountains, valleys, and alpine forests, the drive is nothing short of magical. The best time to embark on this journey is between October and June, when the weather is perfect for outdoor activity. The road distance from Delhi to Dalhousie is approximately 620 kilometers, taking around 11 to 12 hours to cover. Along the way, there are several interesting spots to stop over, each with its own story to tell. Visit the Panipat Battlefield Memorial and Museum, a site steeped in history and valor. In Karnal, the Cantonment Church Tower stands as a reminder of colonial days gone by. Ambala's Rani Ka Talab offers a serene break with its ancient lake and surrounding cenotaphs. Ludhiana's Lodi Fort and Maharaja Ranjit Singh War Museum are must-visit spots for history enthusiasts. Pathankot's Makteshwar Temple, perched on a hilltop, offers spiritual solace and stunning views. For food lovers, the route is dotted with eateries like Amrik Sukhdev in Sonipat and Puran Singh Da Dhaba in Ambala. Dalhousie itself is a treasure trove of nature spots, colonial structures, and an old-world charm. Explore the Kalatop Wildlife Sanctuary, hike through alpine forests, and try paragliding at the Dalhousie Cantonment Forest. Visit the 19th century St. John's Church and the Bhuri Singh Museum for a dose of local history. As the sun sets, catch the mesmerizing views at Moti Tiba, a perfect end to a day of exploration. Dalhousie awaits, a blend of history, nature, and adventure ready to be cherished.